Have you ever wondered how a small pet wellness brand became a leading name in pet supplements? Let's explore PetLab Company's journey and their successful partnership with ShipBob. PetLab Company was founded in London in 2018 by Chris Masanto and Damien Grabarczyk. Their mission is to provide high-quality supplements focused on canine health. Whether it's immune support, joint care, or gut health, their products aim to enhance pet well-being. In just 4 years, they've become one of the world's top pet supplement brands. To meet the growing demand, PetLab partnered with ShipBob, a trusted fulfillment provider, to manage their logistics. With 5 fulfillment centers in the US, they've achieved significant success. They enjoy a 20% year-over-year increase in orders, with over 45,000 orders dispatched weekly. PetLab's co-CEO, Stephanie Lee, emphasizes the importance of a reliable partner. Their internal team focuses on quality products and education, while ShipBob manages fulfillment. This division of labor allows PetLab to concentrate on what they do best. As their business grew, PetLab faced challenges adjusting to increased order volume. ShipBob efficiently streamlined their operations, ensuring quick delivery without requiring PetLab to hire more staff. With ShipBob handling logistics, PetLab's team could concentrate on product development and customer engagement. PetLab's sales channels include both DTC and B2B. ShipBob enabled seamless order fulfillment through websites like Chewy and Amazon. This omnichannel approach is crucial for reaching customers across various platforms. One of PetLab's recent challenges was enhancing their unboxing experience. They collaborated with ShipBob to improve packaging, ensuring products arrived in perfect condition. By optimizing their packaging process, they provided a better customer experience while maintaining brand consistency. ShipBob's commitment to quality also extended to inventory management. They helped PetLab ensure accurate tracking of products with batch codes and expiration dates, critical for pet consumption. Since their partnership began, PetLab has witnessed immense growth. With a reduced logistics team, they now manage hundreds of thousands of orders efficiently. Their revenue has soared beyond $100 million, thanks to streamlined operations with ShipBob. Stephanie Lee shares how ShipBob not only supports their logistics but also strengthens their branding. This partnership allows PetLab to respond quickly to challenges, ensuring timely deliveries and fostering customer satisfaction. Looking ahead, PetLab is excited to use ShipBob's inventory placement program, simplifying logistics planning. With ongoing collaboration, they anticipate even greater success in the future. Want to elevate your business like PetLab Company? Discover how ShipBob can support your fulfillment needs and maximize growth potential. Connect with their team today to get started.